that I felt better than this. Broke out the chains to the wrist. I threw my hands to the Lord and I praised him, and yeah, that was right off the rip, cause the grip of the devil ain't loosen a bit. I had to choose to forget what I've been through and start looking towards what I'm getting into, and stop me from choosing to quit. The devil a liar, I came right out of the fire. Asked for forgiveness, he gave me the business, so I gotta thank the Messiah. Told me he hated a liar, now I'm preaching the truth to the choir. I carried my burdens for many years, not a cross I carry like Mariah, I'm crossing